In this video I will show you how to make retro title animations in Filmora 14.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements in Vado. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
First, go to Stock Media and search Retro. On this first title I will use this Retro 80s style Media 10 background. Now go to Titles and type Retro as well. I will use Retro Title. Now click on the title and go to Basic and change the name of the title to all 4 layers. And I will set the scale to every layer to be 60. This title is done so easy, we will change the out animation later. Let's switch to the new title. For this I will use Retro Style 80s Media 15 background. And I will use the fancy Retro Title 02. Go to Basic and change the name. Now I will delete the video layer because I don't like it. And I will set this out animation called Round Z. Now this is better. For this new title I will find Vintage background and title. I will use this vintage striped background. Now go to Titles and search Vintage. For here I will use this Vintage Movie Title 15. Change the name on the title. I will set fade off animation to the video background and the title to look cool. And the title animation is done. It looks pretty cool like this, so I will not edit this title anymore, it's clean. Now I will do quick change on the first title animation. Go to Animations and go to Out. Make sure to change on the 4 layers the animation out to character, it looks better. Now we got the 3 retro title animations done. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.